Welcome to this guide on liquidity mining, one of the most popular ways to earn passive income in decentralized finance. Liquidity mining allows anyone to become a market maker and earn rewards by providing assets to decentralized platforms. In this video, you'll learn what liquidity mining is, how it works, the rewards you can earn, and the risks you need to understand before getting started. Liquidity mining is a process where cryptocurrency holders deposit their digital assets into liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. By doing this, you're essentially helping these platforms function smoothly by providing the liquidity needed for trading. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards in the form of trading fees and platform tokens. Think of it as earning passive income while your crypto works for you. Instead of just holding your tokens, you put them to work and get compensated for it. The liquidity mining process is straightforward and happens in 3 simple steps. First, you deposit a pair of tokens into a liquidity pool. These are usually 2 different cryptocurrencies of equal value, like Ethereum and a stablecoin. Second, you receive liquidity provider tokens, or LP tokens, which serve as proof of your contribution to the pool. These tokens represent your share of the pool. Finally, you start earning rewards automatically. These rewards come from 2 sources: trading fees generated whenever someone swaps tokens in the pool, and additional platform tokens given as incentives. So what exactly are liquidity pools? They are smart contracts that hold paired tokens and enable decentralized trading without traditional order books. Instead of matching buyers and sellers like a stock exchange, liquidity pools use automated systems called automated market makers. When you combine token A and token B in equal value and deposit them together, they form a pool. This pool then allows traders to swap between these tokens instantly. Without these pools funded by users like you, decentralized exchanges simply couldn't function. When you deposit assets into a liquidity pool, you receive something called liquidity provider tokens, or LP tokens. These tokens are extremely important because they represent your share of the pool and prove your ownership of the deposited assets. The amount of LP tokens you receive is proportional to your deposit amount. You'll need these tokens later when you want to withdraw your funds from the pool. Additionally, LP tokens themselves can be traded or even staked on some platforms to earn extra rewards. They're essentially your receipt and key to accessing your contribution. Liquidity mining offers 2 distinct types of rewards. The first type is trading fees. Every time someone makes a swap in the pool, a small percentage fee is charged, typically between 0.25 and 0.3% per trade. This fee is distributed proportionally among all liquidity providers. The second type of reward is platform tokens. Many decentralized finance protocols offer additional incentives in the form of their native tokens to attract more liquidity. These incentive programs can significantly boost your overall returns and are designed to encourage participation in the ecosystem. Liquidity mining offers several compelling benefits. First, it provides the potential for high annual percentage yields, allowing you to earn significantly better returns than traditional savings accounts. Second, it generates truly passive income, as rewards accumulate automatically while you hold your position. Third, by participating, you're actively supporting the growth of the decentralized finance ecosystem and helping make it more accessible to everyone. Finally, you benefit from dual rewards, earning both trading fees from swaps and additional platform tokens simultaneously, maximizing your earning potential. Now let's discuss the primary risk of liquidity mining, called impermanent loss. This loss occurs when the prices of your deposited tokens diverge significantly from their original ratio. Here's what happens. As prices change, the automated system rebalances your tokens to maintain the pool's ratio. Because of this rebalancing, you may end up with less total value when withdrawing from the pool compared to if you had simply held the tokens in your wallet. The loss is called impermanent because it only becomes permanent if you withdraw during unfavorable price conditions. Greater price volatility between the paired tokens leads to higher impermanent loss potential. Beyond impermanent loss, there are several other risks to be aware of. Smart contract risk is significant, as bugs or security exploits in the protocol's code can lead to complete loss of funds. Rug pulls are another serious concern, where malicious developers suddenly drain liquidity from pools, leaving providers with worthless tokens. Token volatility itself poses a risk, as rapid price drops can significantly reduce your portfolio value even without impermanent loss. Finally, gas fees on certain blockchains can be extremely high, potentially eating into your profits, especially for smaller deposits. If you're ready to start liquidity mining, follow these 5 steps carefully. First, choose a reputable decentralized finance platform with a proven track record and audited smart contracts. Second, connect your cryptocurrency wallet to the platform securely. Third, select a liquidity pool that offers favorable annual percentage yields while matching your risk tolerance. Fourth, deposit equal value of both required tokens into the pool. Make sure the values are balanced correctly. Fifth, regularly monitor your position's performance and claim your accumulated rewards periodically. Always start with small amounts until you're comfortable with the process. Let's recap the essential points. Liquidity mining offers attractive dual rewards through both trading fees and platform tokens, making it a powerful passive income strategy. However, impermanent loss is the primary risk you must understand before participating, as price divergence can reduce your returns. Always research platforms thoroughly before depositing any funds, checking for security audits and community reputation. Start small and monitor your performance regularly to learn how different pools behave. With proper risk management and careful platform selection, liquidity mining can be a profitable addition to your decentralized finance strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy mining.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.